Welcome to the newly redesigned listings product on the PinMeTo platform. Today, we are excited to guide you through the streamlined enhancements of this interface, meticulously designed to optimize your user experience. Firstly, log into your PinMeTo account. Once you're logged in, click on Locations in the left-hand menu. Select the location, and this will take you to the newly designed Locations page. What you'll immediately notice is a sleek, user-friendly interface that allows you to easily manage the information of your locations. So what's new? You'll find a clean, modern design of the Locations Details page, making it simpler than ever to view and manage your location data. The new layout is divided into 6 main sections: General Data, Address, Contact Information, Open Hours, Category Settings, and Custom Fields, all intended to streamline your data management process. We've also made usability improvements to your data entry pop-ups. They've been redesigned to make your data input process smoother, quicker, and more intuitive, thus enhancing your overall experience on the PinMeTo platform. Updating location information is simple. In the Locations tab, just click on the location you wish to update. You can then make the necessary changes to the location data. What's fantastic is that these updates get immediately sent to all major networks like Google, Facebook, Apple, Bing, and more, keeping your brand information consistent across platforms. Overall, our enhancements to the Locations page are designed to facilitate smoother and more efficient management of your locations. Experience a more streamlined user interface that helps you manage your locations with ease and precision. We are confident that these updates will make your experience more efficient, more intuitive, and simply more enjoyable. We look forward to seeing you thrive with the newly redesigned Locations page on the PinMeTo platform. Thank you for joining us, and happy listing!